Welcome to Layn University. My name's Conrad Layn. Welcome to Layn University. My name's Conrad Layn. I want to give a warm welcome to Only the Realist Stays. Is a YouTube subscriber who just became a Layn University member. Just want to give you a congratulatory welcome. I look forward to meeting you, and I did see your comment. I'm going to be responding to your comment shortly. And thank you so much for joining Layn University. Let's get ready to learn. Let's succeed. And I'm really excited to share my perspectives, opinions, and this is what you get when you become a Layn member. I create a lot of free content for anyone. Doesn't matter if you're a Layn member or subscriber, or even if you're not a subscriber. I create tons and thousands of free content on my YouTube channel at Conrad Layn. But if you want one-on-one like consultation or one-on-one coaching, or where you could call me directly or email me or ask me a question or I respond to you, etc., and really help you kind of hold your hand or just get to the point where it's just you and I talking, that more one-on-one, that's where Layn members come in. So thank you for becoming a Layn member. Thank you for joining Layn University. Let's get to it. Let's graduate our life. Currently